Today we're going to walk you through a quick tutorial of the remote control for the DreamWave massage chair. A couple of things to note is in the DreamWave, and as in the case of a lot of massage chairs, you have two broad options. You can do automatic massage programs or manual massage programs, meaning you can control the movement of the hands, the type of massage you want to get, as well as the air pressure, your body positioning, and so forth. But we're going to start by simply activating the chair, and we're going to start with a host of automatic massage programs, which you're going to find here on the top two rows. I'm going to go ahead and select the full all-body massage. Now, the first thing that the DreamWave does before it'll initiate any sequence is go through the automatic shiatsu scanning program. What this means is that the massage hands now are rolling down the complete range from the very bottom of the back to the shoulders, and it's finding shoulder locations, it's getting a sense of the shape of the back so that the massage can be customized to your particular body size and shape. Now, once I've selected a full body massage or any number of these automatic programs, I can then go and adjust my body positioning. The way the DreamWave works is rather than one button and it automatically goes to full recline, you simply just hold the button down to go to the desired position. That applies both to the backrest as well as the footrest. By pressing the footrest button, you can see that it'll bring the feet up or down based just simply on pressing that button. Now, you can also adjust the intensity of the massage. Because the DreamWave is a 3D chair, that means that the massage hands will actually reach out and go deeper into the muscle tissue of the back and shoulders. And you can adjust the intensity of the 3D mechanism by simply pressing the minus or the plus. And in the case of the plus, I'm pressing it now, holding it down, and I can feel the massage hands literally pushing deeper into the back, into the muscle tissue of the shoulders. And again, you can just simply adjust that at any time during the massage. Quick overview of the automatic programs. There's the all or the full body massage. There's the full body air, which means that the back rollers will actually stop, and I'll get a full body acupressure massage using the airbags. Youth is primarily a body size setting. Chair will go to particular settings that are ideal for smaller frames or children. Quick, as the name implies, is simply a quick massage. Morning and night, again, these are pre-programmed massage sequences that are ideal for, regenerating in the morning or relaxing at night. There's a stretch program that utilizes the airbags in the shoulders and the lower body and the recline plus massage to simultaneously stretch you as well as provide massage, and creates slight space in the lumbar region of the spine. The DreamWave is an automatic setting distinct to the DreamWave massage chair, as the name implies. What this entails is some really interesting sequences where the seat actually undulates back and forth and in a figure eight motion, also in conjunction with the IT band or hip airbags, as well as the seat airbags, to provide a really relaxing experience during massage. At any time, you can turn the vibration on and off. You can as well as cycle through different air level pressure settings. Just by pressing the button, you can go through 3 settings, low, medium, and high, as well as off, just based on cycling through the air settings. Now, if you want to provide yourself a manual massage, we're going to open up the lower panel. What that's going to expose are buttons that indicate the different massage styles, as well as some other fine-tuned settings. So for example, without going through all of them, you've got things like tapping, shoulder air, rolling, kneading and tapping, arm air, obviously things like knead and double knead. We're going to go ahead and press knead as an example. Now, once a very specific massage style is selected, I can do a couple of things. One is I can change the speed of the massage. So this is basically how quickly the kneading action moves. I can then, again as I could with the automatic programs, I can increase or decrease the intensity of that kneading. And then once you've gotten that kneading to the speed and the intensity you like, you can now use the roller positioning settings to move the rollers up or down along the back and shoulders to find a spot that's just right, and then it will actually stay right there and provide a localized massage. And then from there, you can then change different massage styles depending on your needs, particular pain points. And you can also adjust things like the foot air as well as the seat air. All of these are located here below the automatic programs in this panel where you can fine-tune and control the massage settings. Here you can also activate or deactivate the heat in the lumbar as well as lower body regions. And this heat will automatically turn off after about 2 hours, just as a safety precaution. And then you can also, if you desire, mute the remote control settings. So now, by pressing the mute button, I can go up to any of the massage programs, press a button, and you'll notice that the LED screen is showing my settings, but it's no longer emitting the beeps. And I can then simply use that button again, and it'll then activate the beeping noises. So, as an overview, the massage sequences are at the upper level of the remote control of the DreamWave, automatic programs and settings, as well as body positioning, 3D intensity, and position of the rollers. Below is where I can actually fine-tune, create a custom massage just for what my particular needs might be in a particular day. For example, if I have lower back pain or I'd like to focus the massage on my shoulders, you can do all of that by using these manual settings. It's a really easy to use chair, and I hope this is helpful to give you a basic primer of the functions of the DreamWave massage chair.